What if all the devices in your life could connect to the internet? Not just computers and smartphones, but everything. Clocks, speakers, lights, doorbells, cameras, windows, window blinds, water heaters, appliances, cooking utensils, you name it. There are many smart home product categories to control everything from lights and temperature to locks and home security devices. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you out with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the featured products and their buying links. Let's begin our list with the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It requires no additional bridge to connect to Wi-Fi, so you get a full voice and remote access functionality without the fuss. And this lock needs a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Its auto lock feature automatically secures your front door once it's closed or after a specified amount of time, for up to 30 minutes. It knows you have returned home through geofencing and automatically unlocks the front door control and manages your door with the August app on any iOS or Android smartphone. Or you can use your Apple Watch to come and go as you please. On the other hand, the setup takes minutes and functionality is simple with the August app. Next up on the list, we have the Arlo Ultra 4K UHD wire-free security camera. It uses a high-performance lens with a 180-degree diagonal field of view that lets you record panoramic videos in 4K HDR quality. The camera has a colored night vision mode, allowing you to see events in areas with challenging light conditions. For audible two-way communications, this security camera is designed with dual noise-canceling microphones that help block out ambient noise such as rain and wind. Complete with an auto zoom and tracking feature, the Arlo 4K UHD wire-free camera automatically focuses on detected moving objects in the frame. When used with the Arlo app, this Ultra 4K UHD security camera lets you receive real-time alerts, set up cloud activity zones, activate its siren, watch a live feed on your compatible device, and more. Up next on the list, we have the CONNECTSENSE CS-SO-2 Smart Outlet Plug. Paired with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant, you can control your lamps, fans, or other appliances with your voice's power. It allows devices to be controlled whenever you want, wherever you choose, with no hub required. Create custom schedules to turn on and off your plug-in devices automatically. You can schedule a lamp to turn on and make sure you never come home to a dark house, or a fan to turn on at a specific time to ensure that your home is cool. Plus, it uses the Wi-Fi you already have in your home to provide control over your lamps, heaters, and fans with no subscription or hub required. With the free CONNECTSENSE app from any iOS or Android device, you will never have to worry that you accidentally left the iron or heater on again. Enhance your display's audio, interact with the Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, and expand your Sonos ecosystem with the black Sonos Arc soundbar. It features an 11-driver design with dedicated up and side-firing drivers that, along with Dolby Atmos compatibility, create an immersive 3D soundstage with your compatible TV and content. With Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant built in, you can voice control the Arc and enjoy all your favorite features of either virtual assistant. It supports enhanced TruePlay tuning technology, which optimizes the sound for your room's unique acoustics and calibrates the height channels for precise localization. This soundbar uses 11 drivers, including elliptical drivers and angled side tweeters, to produce vivid detail and augmented bass. Further, it has a magnetic sensor that detects when the Arc is mounted and adjusts the EQ to temper bass resonance. Enjoy enhanced audio quality and Alexa functionality with the Amazon Echo Studio. It features a 3-way speaker design with a 5.25-inch down-firing woofer, 3 2-inch mid-range drivers, and a 1-inch tweeter, as well as outputs to 330 watts of peak power. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to stream directly from the internet or your compatible device. It can also pair with your compatible Fire TV device to provide enhanced audio for your movies and TV shows. Plus, it has a 1/8-inch audio input that can be used for either analog audio or optical connectivity, so that you can plug your TV or other wired audio sources directly into it. With its Dolby Atmos technology, this soundbar enables a multi-dimensional audio experience, adding space, clarity, and depth. However, it has a microphone off button that electronically disconnects the microphones. With a 10.1-inch touchscreen, color display, and a 5-megapixel camera, the charcoal second-generation Amazon Echo Show adds video capabilities to the Echo line. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi and an 8-microphone array, it connects to your home's wireless network and allows you to play music, video chat with friends intuitively. Using far-field voice recognition technology, the built-in microphones will enable it to respond to your voice from any direction in the room, even while music is playing through its two 2-inch drivers. Bluetooth is also on board, enabling it to wirelessly pair and play audio from various audio sources, such as smartphones and tablets, or to output to your compatible Bluetooth speaker. Moreover, it comes with a dual-band, dual-antenna Wi-Fi that allows for fast streaming and fewer dropped connections. Start or expand your Amazon Alexa ecosystem with the 3rd-generation charcoal Amazon Echo. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi and a microphone array, it connects to your home's wireless network and allows you to intuitively play music, check the weather and traffic reports, hear sports scores, etc. Using voice control technology powered by Amazon Alexa, the built-in microphones allow it to respond to your voice from any direction in the room, even while music is playing. Bluetooth is also on board, enabling the Echo to wirelessly pair and play audio from various audio sources, such as smartphones and tablets. It stands 5.8 inches tall with a 3.9-inch diameter and incorporates a 3-inch woofer and 0.8-inch tweeter to produce full range sound. Plus, the 1/8-inch audio jack can be used as either an input or an output and is switchable via the Alexa app. Furthermore, it can automatically filter explicit songs, add approved contacts, set time limits, or review activity using the parental controls in the Amazon Parent dashboard. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.